team at Nexion Travel Group understands how passionate you are about travel and how important it is for you to carve your own path to a successful career. To help you achieve your goals, they introduce you to the top people in the industry and bring you a steady flow of incredible offers to entice your clients, connect you with technology tools and marketing solutions that actually work, and help you fill in any gaps of your travel industry knowledge and connect you with other passionate agents at your skill level, as well as mentors who can help you take that next big step forward. At Nexion Travel Group, they understand how hard you work for each sale and that hard work should be recognized. And that's why their members earn top-tier commissions with more than 140 air, cruise, and land supplier partners. They also make flights more profitable thanks to over 70 Commissionable Air Agreements on many domestic and international routes. They take their job very seriously, and that job is to empower and inspire independent travel agents to become the very best version of their professional selves. They achieve this through a wonderful company culture that embraces community and collaboration, along with a healthy dose of fun at live and virtual events. Backed by Internova Travel Group, they have been providing their members with the industry's leading benefits and services since 1995. And their comprehensive approach is simply unrivaled, making Nexion Travel Group the complete host agency solution for every agent type, whether you're in new agent, experienced agent, or corporate focused, or a multi-agent manager. When you're ready to become more profitable, more proficient, and more supported, and when you want to be in business for yourself and not by yourself, the Nexion community is ready to help. Visit www.nexion.com to find your future. For more information, visit www.findahosttravelagency.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and post a comment. Also, if you would like to know when we post more video tutorials, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our 2022 Top Host Agency video.